Please excuse the traffic sound. So this is I would date this from the early 20th century. An absolutely delightful fireplace basket. It's got these sort of straps at the back to hold logs in. You hear the little rattle there, so that's just so that can actually be taken out if the backs are removed. Okay, you can see here, which is a fault, but I actually think it makes it look quite quirky. See, missing that little bit there. Now, I bet this as it is, it has a surface rust, but there's no corrosion. This is a really heavy iron fireplace, superb quality, and you know, you look at the stuff they make these days and use, they're quite dreadful. So check the dimensions. This may be the perfect thing for you, and it will outsee you.